So I came back to the museum because the guy I bought the tractor from, old Turd, he had some hit and miss engines that I was going to look at.
Aw, not again.
But they wouldn't let me drive the truck in there. And yeah, I brought the truck. I thought this would be a good time to do a shakedown on old Fitz. And he handled it pretty good. We went down the hill, and now we got to go up it. So that's what I'm excited about. We did traffic on the interstate. We did all kinds of fun stuff. Come on, baby. Do it for Daddy. Yes. 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 Yeah, all kinds of good stuff. Look at it. Look how cute it is. Being all cute. Did you see my sign I made? It came out pretty good. Check it out. I did the stenciling and then Whitney painted the edges. Yeah, came out pretty good. Well, we're about 40 miles away from the house, so let's go back without an engine. But it's okay. I'll go pick it up. He lives a lot closer. I just wanted to drive the truck. All right, here we go. All right, well, let's figure this out. We did about 70 miles today. We put about 4.9 gallons in there. That gives us 14.3 miles a gallon. You know? Roughly. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less. I don't know if I filled the tank up perfectly each time, but yeah. I'll take 14 point something. Well, as always, Fitz did great. So Well, I think we've done our shakedowns. So we'll go back, pick up that engine on Monday, and yeah, 14.5 miles a gallon or whatever. I'll take it.
Later.
In my last video, where I rebuild the handy lift, I alluded at something coming, some sort of project, and I know maybe with the motorcycle lift it was a little misleading, maybe. But I think I found the next project. I found this first. I found this fairmont hit and miss engine, and I'll bore you with the details later. But I've always wanted to build a vehicle of some sort out of a hit and miss engine, and there were certain problems that I wasn't sure how I was going to solve, like transmission, acceleration, things like that, and I had ideas, but I wasn't, positive. And then I saw this engine, and this engine is a two-stroke hit and miss engine that was used for railroad cars, and it actually solves all my problems for me. It has a lever back there that slides the motor forward and backward to engage the belt for drive. That's your transmission. I can change the what is it called? Advance. I can change the advance on the fly, and it has a throttle. So now, so that solved all of my issues. So now we could do the fun part and actually assemble this thing. So now I have a hit and miss motor with good compression, and I found a couple other things because I'm trying to do this on a budget. I got myself a Model T frame. This is a 1910 Model T frame, and it comes with a couple little accessories like a starter switch we'll never need. I've got some rear wheels here. Okay, I don't have a rear axle, but that's fine. We can figure that out. But I do have a front axle. In fact, I have two of them. These came off of two old Crosley sprint cars from the 50s. They're both frozen, but with a little work and a little elbow grease, we can get these working again, but for cheap, right? So I even have the spindles, and they're 6-lug, so that'll be fun. But I did find a tire. We do have a 6-lug Crosley racing tire. We have a wheel. We have suspension pieces. I've got carriers for a rear axle. More suspension pieces. They even have us a little grill. So yeah, it's not going to look too bad. So that's my project I'm kind of thinking of right now. First, I got to get all this shit out of here, which is going to be fun. Don't worry, I'll wear my safety sandals. Let's get this stuff out, and then we're going to stare at it. And we're just going to stare at it for a while. In my new lounge chair, by the way. Also got one of those, just in case. But yeah, so we don't need much. We need a body. We need a rear axle, a couple miscellaneous pieces, a big fat belt, and I think we can do it. I think we can do this for maybe just a couple $100. We're going to see. So please follow me and subscribe so you can see how this goes, because I'm sure you're going to want to yell at me, but maybe I'll do something cool too, Either way, I don't know, tell me about it. I think it's fun. Let's have a good conversation about this. I know I'm not the only person to do this, so if you've done it before, let me know, because I'm going to need your help.